go. Recording na na.
Tae.
Kaya to. Sabi sa video ata.
Record na.
Kasi mo tanaw man lang ko.
Wala ka. Enjoy na nimo. Record naman na any angle. Ha? Wa man na ni off. Na nag-record ka pa na nag-record.
Conscious siya.
Ano conscious la ka ora?
Mo na bagbag pamangga jod.
Ni chapo sa sud.
Ha?
Ni chapo sa sud.
Matae dire. Motor ha.
Kinain na yung kamay.
Bom ka niya. Tarong ba?
Conscious. Walk ra. Tamo? Ha? Conscious ka? Take that to a nice view. The sunset.
Bro, it's not even.
Sa dire.
What's day?
Go, Kelly. Yun. Go, kat. Go. Oh, I know who's going to do that.
Hoy.
Tagdaran na ajo si Gunit. Suot naman na nimo.
Why po mo na hugid ako roller skates?
So, kung roller skate. Mas magbarong ka. Kita harus video.
Kaya.
Wa na, wa pa gani katunga ling. Daw na ka. Okay kung gani ta.
Nalagyan natin ha. Nalagyan natin.
Catch like fish. You put it so that the fish will confuse and they'll get hooked in the net.
Got cooked. Imagine if like Pennywise, like when it's rainy and then you make a boat and it go there. It looked like, oh my god, it looked like more like Pennywise.
That's it?
For me. Unlike for you, scaredy cat.
That's scaredy cat.
Yeah, you are.
You are scaredy cat.
You are.
Chichay!
Who's that?
That's my classmates and my friend. That's her daughter.
Her daughter's so cute.
Ah, but you're much cuter.
Ew. No.
You're my daughter.
Ew.
Yo. Yeah, it's true.
Ew.
It's real.
Ew.
It's true.
Ew. Feels like I'm vlogging.
What?
Feels like I'm vlogging. Feels like I'm vlogging.
You wanna wait there?
I don't know. It's such a beautiful day.
What?
Such a beautiful day.
It is?
Yeah.
What made you say so?
The sun.
Oh, it's sunset. Look.
A boat.
Kid.
I'm just gonna jog.
Jog.
Yeah.
Wait, the plane motor. Hey, straight. Hey, come here.
Hmm?
Tarong. Motor ng tarong. Garden. Hindi naman sila. Wanna wait there?
No.
Dog fell off.
Oh. Reminds me of me before.
What?
It reminds me of me before.
Ayaw pagkamping, kami magkamping.
Tututan lang to sa ship.
Ship na dahil. Manto? Di naman taga-lusot.
Dili bak adto ra.
Ito sa end. Balik.
Huh?
Yes. Why not?
Wow, uy. Sige na. Ganyan, kadet. Mati ba na? Ha? Hindi, lagi.
Okay? Go slow.
No, it's okay. Dangerous.
What dangerous?
Dang.
Yeah. So, you're not scared.
Dang. Imagine if I was there and I was invisible. And imagine that I was there and I accidentally got them and they fall. Oh, oh. Dang.
Yeah.
Naila. Naila, Tita Kim.
Ano to? Ditso. Tutakin to nga to. Why?
Nothing.
Meron. Putsun ka. Daplin ha, daplin. Mga bike ha. Daplin.
Okay. Paw prints. Paw prints.
What?
Paw prints.
Stone.
No, there's paw prints. See, there's paw. Paw prints. More paw prints.
Stone.
Access nino.
Napay mga bangkin na, mga bangno. Parang nahilis ko. Para kanina po tira.
Wanna watch?
Sure.
But it's kind of tricky.
Steep.
Kaso naman sila nanay. Oh. Wait. I see the fish.
There. Magbong na ha. Abangan dito JC.
Tito said that this is waterproof. Tito.
Waterproof pero mawa. Waterproof lagi, yung mawa diha.
Yep.
Will you jump to get that?
Yeah. I know how to swim. Except for only float.
Really?
Yeah. I'm kind of
Float if you panic.
no, but I'm just gonna try to.
Paningot. Kumandahon mo singot sa gamay.
I'm a little bit.
Just go slow para di ka kapudjot.
No, it's okay.
Don't take a pace.
No, no. I said no, no, no.
Tor.
I said no means no, no. Where's Tita Lisa and Tita Celine is here?
Oh, they're not.
When will they come here?
Hmm?
In my vacation?
Yeah, or maybe we can go there. Depends.
I hate elevators.
Elevator.
They're kind of scary, but
Ang tagi dire.
both.
Ha? Oo. Bugaw ah. Kung ka. Oops. Kung ka.
Wait, I'm gonna just check something. Something tusok. Something is tusok, and when I get it, it was so spiky.
Really?
Yeah. I think it was a cocoon. Just joke. Cocoons are not even spiky. Oh no.
Padung dire.
Look at the clock. Oh, guys, look at it. It's nice, right?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day to die.
Bako ka. Don't say it. It's bad.
Because it's so beautiful that I'm going to die.
No, don't die. I will be
But it's beautiful.
sad. I'll be hurt.
Not die the real. I'll just faint. There, remember?
To say it's a beautiful day to faint, not die.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I ate them.
Faint, only faint.
Sure.
Don't not die.
Oh, okay. Can the camera see me?
No, you can only see the front.
Okay. Bro, where are they?
They're far. They're slow.
Bro, they're still there.
Sila sila. Pulot na to? Okay.
Faster nga rock. Faster nga rock.
Syrup.
Walk again. I'm in the walk. Magab.
Oy,
Hi.
what's that? What's that?
Ay.
Huh? Why they know you?
Clay.
Huh?
Si Clay.
What?
Si Clay.
Clay from SJC? Ah, I see. That's why.
Bro, why do I always keep seeing my classmates?
Because Maasin is just small.
Oh yeah, I
Oh,
forgot.
it's a dead end. Kumanta. Libot na tayo ngon.
No!
Kasi naman lahos ka diya.
No.
Dapat.
No. Agi here. Agi here.
Sino ba ta? Balik ka ba tayo ngon? What? Cute puppy. Cute puppy.
Can it bite me? No, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me, please. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. It's so cute.
Cute.
Agi. I wanna agi there though.
Ah, sa mga agi diha. Wala magyanan diha. Labad.
No, I just wanna watch.
Dere? Ano na ko na punta stikas? Oh, there's a lot of metals. Dere tagi.
Meatballs.
Bao jaga din na ganahaguking. Ulan mo na. Kapoy na galing?
Ikaw kasi, kapoy na ka.
Not yet.
Ito tagsan.
IDK. Sana ni pag-end.
Di ba na yan? Init na?